Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Waasti. I'm from English Education Department, and here I will explain one of the material in English for Junior High School grade 7 and the materials about procedure text. Okay, before I'm explain it, I want to ask you, do you like cooking? Cooking is something that usually we do every day, actually, especially for women. Cooking can be enjoyment if we like it, but there are some people lazy to cook. To help them, people who cannot cook, they can see recipes. Recipes are very helpful because there are steps that can lead use in it. Recipe is an example of procedure text. Another example is book instruction. When you buy a new TV or a new phone cell, there must be a book instruction in the books. Book instruction also one of the example of the procedure text. But what is the definition of procedure text? Procedure text is a text that explains or help use how to make or use something. There are three definitions about procedure text. The first, text that explain how something works or how to use instruction. Example, how to use the video, how to use type recorder, the computer, and edge. The second, text that instructs how to do a particular activity. Example, recipe, role for games, science experiment, and edge. And the last, text that deal with human behavior. Example, how to live happily and how to success. And then about the generic structure of procedure text. The generic structure of procedure text, there are three. The first, the goal. The second, the material, and the last, the step. The first, the goal, example, how to make spaghetti. Terus, the second, about the material or ingredients. Example, the material to cook omelette are eggs and egg. And the last, about the step. Example, first was the tomatoes, onion, and egg. Okay, and then about the purpose of procedure text. The purpose of the procedure text is to explain how to make or do something through a sequence of action or step, and the last, to explain step or instruction to make or do something. The last material about the language feature of procedure text. The language feature of procedure text, there are the first, use adverbial of sequence or using temporal conjunction. The second, use command or imperative sentence. The third, using adverbs to express detail, the time, place, manner, accurate, for example, for 5 minutes. The fourth, using action verb, and the last, using simple present tense. Just my explanation of procedure text. Helpful, it can be useful. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.